This is to call the attention of proper authorities, likewise to parents, students, and of course, school officials. And it is to all concerned, the way I am concerned, over the situation shown in this video clip. Oh yeah, right there on your screen is the real situation taken along the highway, showing how students are being transported by tricycles to and from schools, Monday to Friday. Oh my God, and this is a day-to-day danger and risk to the lives of our students, our kids, for they are allowed to ride on top, and not only on top, on all sides outside the tricycle, and a clear violation of the seating capacity being implemented by our agencies. Now, can the authorities do something about this just to protect our riding public? Calling the attention of our proper authorities, please give appropriate concern on this wake-up call before something lamentable would happen.